All right, welcome to Online Maths TV. My name is Jakes Anemo, and in today's class, we have a rhetorical question, okay, that demands the thinking outside the box. The question says, if 2 plus 2 is equals to 5, I'll tell you that we give you a kind of a rethink. You and I know that in base 10, 2 plus 2 is equals to 4. But now the base number in which this addition is made is not given. Other part of it says 2 to the power of 2 times 2 to the power of 2 will now be equals to what? We are going to work with these premises here now, this conditional statement. So we take our solution. So we have here solution. Having 2 plus 2 equal to 5. If I rewrite this now, this is same thing as 2 times 1 plus 2 times 1 equal to 5 times 1. It has not really changed the system because 1 times 2 will still give us 2, 1 times 1 will still give us 2, and 5 times 1 will still give us 5. So from here, if I decide to introduce logarithm, this will now become 2 log 1 here is going to give us 2 base 2 plus 2 into log 2 base 2, and same thing happens here too, 5 to log 2 base 2. All right. Now, from here, according to the law of logarithm, I can move this to this other side. This will now give me log 2 base 2 all to the power of 2. This comes up plus log 2 base 2 all to the power of 2 again equal to log 2 base 2 all to the power of 5. Then we proceed from here again. So from here, we can apply multiplication law of logarithm. If we do that, this will now be written as log base 2 to the power of 2 times 2 to the power of 2, or equal to log 2 base 2 all to the power of 5. Now something so special has happened here. This is log 2 base 2, then this is log 2 base 2. This can take care of this. So we are now left equating the powers. This now gives us 2 to the power of 2 times 2 to the power of 2 equal to 2 to the power of 5. So we are now having something similar here now. So this will now give us 2 to the power of 2 times 2 to the power of 2 equal to, what is 2 to the power of 5? It means 2 times 2, that will give us 4, times another 2, 8, times another 2, will give us 16, times another 2, that is 32. So we have 32. So therefore, here, what we ask to look for, 2 to the power of 2 times 2 to the power of 2 is equals to 32, according to this conditional statement, which is if 2 plus 2 is equals to 5, then this is the solution to our problem, QED. Okay, QED. All right, so this is just a puzzle. Okay, it's a puzzle. So if you get any value, kindly subscribe and give our video a thumbs up. Or if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe. This is Online Maths TV, where we drop at least a video every other day. All right, thanks. Jakes loves you. Maths TV loves you.